One kopi o koso, please. Yeah. Is that another uhu? Is that uhu too? Hello, I'm Charlie Puth. I believe that everything in this life can be made into music.
What do you think about Singapore so far?
It's been wonderful. It always bummed me out that I had to fly in for promo or a show and not experience any of the culture firsthand. They say that it's rainy season. I don't believe them. I mean, this is incredible.
Bing, bing, bing.
Switch it up now.
Welcome to the Projector, Singapore's indie cinema.
Ooh.
Do you get inspired from the movies?
I do get inspired from the movies. I actually think of something visual every time I make a piece of music.
Let's head down to one of my personal favorite spots. This is a really traditional coffee shop that makes a delicious local breakfast.
Okay, it smells like American coffee. Does it taste the same? Ooh, it's better.
It's
Feeling
better.
good.
Charlie?
I know what you're gonna ask. It's a G sharp and an A. Minor second, two dissonant tones rubbing against each other.
Time for some local retail. Jujiet houses many local brands just like this one. That is Mike, co-owner of Only World.
Hello.
Nice to meet you.
Thanks for having me.
These are the Peranakan ladies in traditional kebaya.
It's beautiful.
Thank you.
Do you make this yourself?
Yeah, these are my own designs.
Wow.
There's another really cool spot I want to take you to. Are you up for it?
I'm up for it. Let's go. I'll sometimes unwind by sitting at a bar, throwing some peanuts on the floor. Wow, it's strong.
Makes that cool sound.
Can you describe the Singapore Sling in musical terms?
It's tangy. It would definitely be in an uppity key, like F sharp major. There we go. For you.
Welcome to Off Track, a local music bar.
Vibes are strong right now. Wow. I liked your kick drum sound better than mine. Yours is.
Oh yeah, there we go.
Oh, I did it.
Yeah. You collaborated with John Cook. I just want to know who's next.
I would collaborate with any artist that never remains musically stagnant. That's how I try and be with my stuff too. He does the kick drum under the snare. Wow. I love all the sounds of Singapore. I'm constantly inspired. I want to go make a song right now. Cheers.